Hi everyone, and welcome to the snowiest final exam week I can ever remember. Good thing we're all taking this class online and can do your final from the comfort of your home. So this week, make sure that you have your multimodal presentation submitted. That's the first thing that you have to make sure you get done. Don't start working on your reflection until you have submitted your multimedia presentation. This week I've included your final exam, which is a short reflection that I hope that you'll think about, very thoughtfully, take some time to make sure that you're using specific examples and thinking carefully about your work. I've also included a corresponding reading on reflective writing. None of this should take you very long, and most students who complete the reflection do very well on it and find it rewarding. So make sure that you carve out a couple of hours this week to get your final reflection done for this class before Friday. I don't have regularly scheduled office hours this week, but I do have a fairly flexible schedule. So if there's anything you want to talk about, just send me an email or give me a call or text, and I'm sure we can find a time to meet. Keep in mind also that I am, just up to my ears in work to grade this week. I mean, it's even worse than the amount of snow outside. And a lot of people also turned in late work. I have students who are trying to make up incompletes from COVID emergencies, and I will do my best to respond thoughtfully to your work. I'm going to start by responding to stuff that was turned in on time. And then I'll do my best to respond to everything, but if there gets to be a point near the deadline for grades that I have to turn in grades, I might not have time to respond to everybody. So I'll get all your work graded the best that I can and in the order that it came in. If it was late work, I have to put that behind the student work that came in on time. So I hope you understand. Check in with me if you have any questions. Take care, everyone, and be safe.